Perfect. Perfect.
Hey my natural beauties, what's good? Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be having a detailed eyebrow routine video for you. I've been promising you guys this for the longest time. Today I'm finally here to deliver, and I want you guys to just stay tuned. I want it to be very detailed, even though it's a very simple video. I'm going to be explaining things step by step, just showing you guys how I do my brows, because I do still from time to time get asked how I do them, and yeah. So if you guys want to see that, y'all already know, stay tuned, keep on watching. And also if you're new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also turn your post notifications on so you get notified every single time I put out a brand new video. Do not forget to follow my socials at NaturallyMsToya. While you're at it, I'm gonna have those linked down in the description bar, or you could just type it in right now, like legit, just pause the video right now and just go follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, or something of the sort. Alright guys, so I tried to do this with some sort of backdrop. This is Marla's blanket, by the way. I tried to do this video with some sort of backdrop so you guys could just focus on what I'm doing. So ignore the little kitties back here. So I'm going to be using basic products, nothing that you guys can find. This is gonna be a $1, technically $1 brow routine. Alright guys, for this brow routine you're only going to need these 4 products. I'm using a eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, an angled brush, a spoolie, and also some concealer. Preferably something that is lighter than your skin tone by 2 to 3 shades. And this is the reason why it is a $1 brow routine. Trying to get it to focus. This is the pencil right here, right? And it's just the brown one. The first thing I'm going to do is brush up my eyebrow. Just brush it in an upward direction like this, and then you're going to outline the bottom, the top, and then fill it in where it's sparse. So that's all we're doing. When I say outline the bottom, I literally don't mean they call it like legit just swoosh, not literally. You're still using like hair like strokes. And guys, the fan is drying my contacts out, so annoying. The one thing that I wish right now is that I was looking in a mirror, but I'm using the viewfinder on the freaking camera. I'm using the camera screen instead, which is not the best idea. Once upon a time I used to do my brows very thick. This is coming out to look like that right now, but when you conceal it and blend it back out, you won't have to worry. So I'm just, after I've drawn my line at the top and at the bottom, I just kind of came in a little bit to the beginning and filled it in a little bit. So I'm gonna just do the same to the other eye. I have got to say, I love the way this the image looks with the backdrop, and I feel like it's like the perfect color right now for my makeup tutorials, at least. I think I'm gonna invest in some backdrops, guys. I literally just took Marla's blanket because I was so tired of seeing the doorknob in my videos. It was irritating me a little bit. So what I'm doing now is taking the spoolie and blending out the brow, starting with the beginning of the brow. If you make a mess and if it's not too neat, like, don't worry about it, I'll clean it up later with the concealer. You just want to make sure that all the spaces are filled out as best as possible. And if you look closely, you can see that right here needs some product right here, because there's like a gap. So even if you go in with it like darker, once you go in with the spoolie and blend it out, it just looks normal, if that makes sense. So blending. All right, see, I look at one spot right or so. You just go in and just blend that up, and your brows are practically filled in. I don't know why I have this darkness right here. It's weird. Just gonna fill in the tail a little bit more to get out of that darkness right there. That darkness is creeping me out. Maybe I just actually have darkness under my brows. But anyways, at this point I'm gonna be taking my concealer, and I decided to use a cream concealer versus the liquid concealer because the cream concealer gives you more of a thick finish. Like, you need it to look set. The liquid runs all over the place and it makes it very difficult, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be using this, and this brush is a angled brush, by the way, and I'm just going to, some people can literally just draw the straight line. I wish I took a picture before, but I didn't. And the key is really to make them even. Try to make the beginning, once you get the beginning lined up properly, then the rest of it is like easy peasy. But yeah, I like to just go in with a second layer of concealer and then blend it down. Yeah, once you make sure that the alignment at the beginning is like accurate on both sides, they have to be even, of course. I'm just go back and just cover up any opaque look that it might have. Once you're done with the bottom, of course, you're ready to go on top. So this is where you kind of decide if you want your brows thick or thin. And I like to start with them thick first. It just depends on the direction in which you're going to take your makeup look. Because if you're definitely not even going for a full face and you're doing brows alone, you do not want them to be thick and dark. Like, that is going to make you look like a troll. So yeah, and then I just go in with my finger and get rid of the lines that are here. You guys see what I mean when I say the cream concealer makes more sense? When you use a liquid concealer, it not get the same effect. It just look weird, and the blending is not as crisp. So I'm just blending that down, and of course you're gonna do the same thing to the top. So blend it out. Don't worry about that box look. I'm gonna come back with my spoolie and just blend that out. Oh guys, so blind. Let me use a mirror so I stop messing up, because I legit can't see. I'm gonna keep on a try work it out. It's gonna take a miracle. I tell it's gonna take a miracle for me to love someone new, 'cause I'm crazy for you. Yeah, it's gonna take a miracle. Well, I said it's gonna take a miracle. Alright, so once I'm done blending that out, I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and just kind of get rid of that box look right there. And that makes it look like, you know, way more realistic, way more believable, whatever. I know there are like 1,000,001 eyebrow tutorials on YouTube, guys. That's really the reason why I didn't want to make any. It's at this point, if you want your brows to be thinner, you go in and make it smaller. And this brow is a little bit thicker than the other brow, so I'm just gonna try to fix it. If I can blend that part up and out, because yeah. But this is it, guys. This is my brow routine. 14 minutes long. I don't even know how much I'm going to chop this, but of course I'm going to show you guys a clip when my entire face is completed. But this is basically it. The cream concealer gives you more of a blend, so even if you're going for like an everyday look and you just want to do your brows alone, not this dark and not this thick, obviously, but you can literally do your brows. And if you use a cream concealer like this, once again, it's the Milani Secret Cover Concealer in the color number 3, which is called Honey Meil, and it's perfect for warm skin tones, like legit, like it just blend, girl. You see that? What concealer wear? Yes. Arched, natural looking blended brows. They're a bit faded. They're actually not that harsh when you do look at them. And a little trick, guys, if you want to make your brows more faded for an everyday look and you've already made it dark, just get your spoolie and put a bit of concealer on it, and it will give you more of a faded, lighter look than something dark like this. I think I should actually do that, because the look I'm gonna do after this, I'm gonna need my brows for just pop right out. Ooh, yes. So I can't do it, but basically you just put some concealer on your spoolie like this and just run it back through the brows, and it gives you a faded look. Thank me later, okay? And if you are precise, you actually can get away with doing just your brows, as in just your brows without concealing it, if you are precise, which means shorter hair-like strokes instead of harsh strokes, and you pull it off without even needing any concealer. If you guys watch my Empress transformation video, then you'll see. I'll link it up top once again, and it'll also be linked in the description bar below. Alright, babes, I must also point out that this summer inspired makeup look is totally fire, and it's now live on my channel. I'm gonna have the link on the screen, and you can also check it out down in the description bar below. I hope you guys enjoyed my $1 eyebrow routine. It's technically about like $5, but you guys get my gist. The main product is only $1, girl. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful, babes. Bye. Mwah.